Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles east of Erin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. And $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashland City, Coopertown, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Van Leer, Sladen, Cheatham, Palmyra, and Cunningham. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 187 and 191. Interstate 24 between mile markers 25 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. City, Coopertown, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Van Leer, Sladen, Cheatham, Palmyra, and Cunningham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Logan County in south central Kentucky, Simpson County in south central Kentucky, southwestern Allen County in south central Kentucky, south central Butler County in south central Kentucky, southwestern Warren County in south central Kentucky until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 miles southeast of Denver to 8 miles southeast of Russellville to 8 miles north of Springfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Plum Springs, Crestner, Memphis Junction, Mount Victor, Franklin, Auburn, Woodburn, Blackjack, and Hilltop. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong thunderstorm.
I was just about to turn my radios back on. Oh. Is that for us?
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee.
WXN 74. I'll be counting that as 2.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Ashland City.
Yeah, 7.1.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Interstate 40 between mile markers 196 and 223. Interstate 65 between mile markers 74 and 99. Interstate 24 between mile markers 32 and 63. For your protection, move to your room on the lowest floor of a building. Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Bellmead, Lakewood, Hermitage, Bellevue, Antioch, Old Hickory, Gilson, Rural Hill, 223. Interstate 65 between mile markers 74 and 99. Interstate 24 between mile markers 32 and 63. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, then. A new one. Everybody's gone.
Northern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee,
Even WNG 631.
Eastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near White House, or west of County, moving east at 50 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to
97.1.
Lafayette, Carthage, Hartsville, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Westmoreland, Cross Plains, Red Boiling Springs, Portland, South Carthage, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Bethpage, Dixon Springs, Oak Grove, Pleasant Shade, and Bledsoe Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 100 and 101, and between mile markers 105 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Nice.
The National Weather Service. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lafayette, Carthage, Hartsville, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Westmoreland, Cross Plains, Red Boiling Springs, Portland, South Carthage, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Bethpage, Dixon Springs, Oak Grove, Pleasant Shade, and Bledsoe Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 100 and 101, and between mile markers 105 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That was really cool. Mm, 97.1. Carrot is big. And WNG 631 and 97.1.
Interstate 24 between mile markers 77 and 79. Interstate 840 between mile markers 55 and 57.
This time it's not recording upside down.
Interior room on the lowest floor
I'm
of a
not
building.
adding that other one in there.
Greenville, Sparta, Smithville, Woodbury, Carthage, Spencer, Algood, Monterey, Watertown, Baxter, Gordonsville, Walter Hill, includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 244 and 304. Interstate 24 between mile markers 77 and 79. Interstate 840 between mile markers 55 and 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.